This is the bird feeder my mom got, green beans, and she was calling it an apple. So if you guys know what this is, leave comments down below. But this is most definitely not an apple. So we just went to Winco and bought a whole bag of bird food to put in the bird feeder. Then we're going to stick it outside, right there. So you can fake your way to the top, round and round. And I just almost burnt my bagel. You think the squirrels will be able to get this?
Not this one. I got that cup out there for the squirrels.
Mom, you're right. This is really cute. Thanks for buying it for us. Where are you putting it?
What?
Way down there?
Where you want me? Where should I put it?
That's fine.
I was gonna just. No, I'm gonna leave that one up.
Put it right there on that branch with the that looks like it's been cut off. Just hang it right there. Instead of it being way down there, so then if somebody messes with it, we can see them. You can fake your way to the top, round and around. But it's always real, so real. Always so real. When it's coming down, I know what's happening. I've been around. You want me to get your shoes? You know, I thought you were going to hang it up by its handle.
And blend it in with the rest
and
of it.
not by this, because it's gonna pop off. You have to be careful with the little leaf. Yeah. On this one.
Why don't it's innate, you know?
So then you think where? Right here? Oh crap. Is it gonna fit on that? Oh, that one right there? Oh. You need help? Make sure you can do it and get it down again. Do it have to be so high? Do you want to hang it in mid-air? There's the bird feeder, Mom. Boo. If you can see it, it's right there. Maggie, do you have to potty? Get back here. Potty. Let the children out. Thumbs up if you love the crap out of this movie. Inside of me, yeah. Thumbs it up is a classic. Classic.
Hey, good.